Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor OSD menu not working. So here's a guide to unlock controls, joystick reset and power cycle. Fix 1. Check if the OSD is locked. Press and hold the menu or joystick button for 10 to 15 seconds. If you see OSD unlocked, try opening the menu again. Fix 2. Power cycle the monitor. Turn off the monitor, unplug the power cable for 1 minute, plug it back in and turn the monitor on. Test the OSD menu. Fix 3. Inspect the OSD buttons or joystick. Make sure the buttons or joystick aren't stuck. Press each button several times to free any debris or sticking. Fix 4. Disconnect other cables. Unplug HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C and USB cables. Leave only the power cable connected. Try opening the OSD menu. Fix 5. Reset the monitor. If you can access part of the menu, go to Settings, select Reset and then go to Yes. This restores the monitor's default settings. Fix 6. Update the monitor firmware. Download the latest firmware from the MSI support page for your model. Install it using MSI's firmware update tool. Fix 7. Test with another device. Connect the monitor to a different PC, laptop, or console. If the OSD still doesn't work, the issue is likely with the monitor itself. Fix 8. Contact your MSI support. If the menu remains unresponsive even after these steps, the OSD button board or joystick may be faulty and require service or replacement. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.